longest time ever. People are complaining.
Ruhonge rwa NEMA rugite ni ruithuritie ni gukoretwo na biacara cia Google cia wendia na uhuthiri wa maratathi maya maria makoretwo makirutwo bururi wa Uganda.
For the longest time ever. People are complaining.
Maugite ni megutigira ni makuruhania maabitha ugitiri na aria county niguo guikia ngono aria makoretwo makihuthira na kwendia maratathi maya.
City Market, City Park Market, Gikomba, Lower Kabete, and several others, Mlolongo. We are appealing to those who are organizing, the chairman, the committees of those markets, to ensure that they do not have any plastics, because we have been in the past arresting individuals. Now we are going to do collective action.
Magithia na mbere aikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni maikitie mateta iguru rigie wongerereku wa kunyitwo kia hinya na kunyamario kimwiri gwa ciana cia airitu iria iri na mawathe.
Kuna atu wanashukuliwa hao watu. Sasa mtu anaambiwa kama una hakika ni nani, hatutaweza kufuatia hiyo kesi yako.
We are crying, being people with disabilities. Some are being taken advantages of, being raped. Others, they are not taken care by the community itself.
Kuringana na aikari ya kaunti ino, ona thengia kura riboti kuri maabitha ugitiri gutire ikinya rikoretwo rikioyo naguo kuria honge itiganite kuigirika niguo kuhita thina uyu utaneha. Muthia arangirie ria kambuni ya Solvit Security Solution makinyo igoti-ini umuthi magikuruhanio na gikuo kia David Wakabi uria ari muruti wira wa bengi ya Stanbic riri Nyari Mombasa. Hamisi Hare Karisa na Said Mwamuya Mwalugo makinyo igoti-ini nene ra Mombasa mbere ya mucirithania Dora Chepkwoni uria wathanire mahingiro ceceni ya borithi ya Baburi kwa ihinda ria thikũ 5 niguo borithi marikiririe uthuthuria na ninge eri acio mathurimo kana ni akinyaniru kimeciria. Cira ucio ukagwetwo tariki 31 mweri uyu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.